Hello students, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Study Kshetra. Hi, my name is Vapav. In this video, we are going to discuss the last year general awareness section of CMAT 2022. This will help you to analyze कि जो इस साल एग्जाम होने वाला है what type of question they ask and how we need to attempt them. Question number one was the term butterfly is associated with. Now, if we have a knowledge of sports, then it's a very easy question for us कि kabaddi, boxing, swimming or wrestling. So the correct answer was swimming. The term butterfly is associated with the sports swimming. Question number two. Change in seasons occur due to. Is it due to Earth's rotation, Earth's revolution, or inclination of Earth axis? Whatever the change in season is always due to Earth's revolution and inclination of Earth axis. So means we should have a knowledge of geography also. So for this, the correct answer was option number B, B and C only. Question number third. Which of the following is true regarding vehicle scrapping policy recently announced by the center? So if you have a knowledge of current affairs, then this question was easy for all of you. They were asking regarding the vehicle scrapping policy. Now, as the state government have been advised to offer road tax rebate up to 25% for personal vehicles. Now, if we look at the options, option number A says 25%, B 50%, C 33%, D 40%. So yes, 25% one was the correct one, and manufacturers to provide 5% discount on purchase of a new vehicle against the scrapping certificate. So for this, option A was the correct answer. So that means we should be having the correct knowledge regarding the current affairs. Only then we can answer this kind of questions. Question number 4. Article 356 of the Constitution of India provides for. Now, it's a knowledge of legal. Might be a possibility कि हमें नहीं पता होता. But still, the options were reservation of the jobs for backward classes, protection of religious monument, imposition of president's rule in a state, or right to education. So Article 356 is related to imposition of president's rule in a state. So option number C was the correct answer for question number 4. Question number 5. Professor Amartya Sen was honored with UNESCO Peace Prize, Bharat Ratna, or Nobel Prize. Now, Professor Amartya Sen was honored with Bharat Ratna and Nobel Prize. So that means option number B and C, or I can say option number B, is the correct answer for question number 5. Question number 6. Now, many times we will see 4 to 5 questions always come from this section. Given below are two statements and we need to check which of them is correct or which of them is false. So, in this question number 6, there were two statements. Statement number 1. Indian Constitution uses the word minority to mean any sections of citizen having a distinct language, script or culture. Yes, this statement is absolutely correct. कि Indian Constitution word minority to mean any such citizens having a distinct language, script or culture. Statement number 2. This may be a whole community living within a majority community. Absolutely correct. Minority means less. I can say very less. They are saying this may be a whole community living within a majority community. It is also correct. So now we can mark that both statement 1 and 2 are true. So option number A is the correct answer for question number 6. Question number 7. Who among the following was a French journalist and novelist known for his series of 20 novels collectively known as Les Rougon? Option A, Jean-Paul Sartre, Albert Camus, Jean Baudrillard, Émile Zola. So correct answer was option number D, Émile Zola. Now for this particular question, we would be having an interest in reading the novels. Only then we would have gone through with this question. Otherwise, we can leave this question. So for this, option D was the correct answer. Question number 8. The total number of judges of International Court of Justice is. Now this is the question which you all would be knowing. So for this, it is always 15. So option C, 15 is the correct answer for this question. The total number of judges of International Court of Justice is 15. Question number 5. Now average you will find 2 to 3 question match the following. So it is match list 1 with the list number 2. Now as we have discussed in the innovation video also कि we don't need to check all the option. अगर हमें एक भी आता है उससे we can mark our correct answer. Now constitutional provision, charter of fundamental rights. Now adopted from, if we know this one, if you look at the options A1, A4, A2, A3, if we only know this one, the Charter of Fundamental Rights has been adopted from United States Constitution, then we don't need to check the other, we don't need to match the other B, C, D. Only with this we can mark option D is the correct answer. A with the third only given in the option number D. But we'll check others also. The idea of residual powers has been adopted from Canadian Constitution. The Planning Commission and 5-year plan is from Soviet Constitution. And the last one, Enunciation of Directive Principle State Policy has been adopted from Irish Constitution. So yes, option D is the correct answer for question number 9th here. Then the question number 10th. Which form of Indian dance shows influence of Persian culture? So means we should be having the knowledge of dances also. Options is Bhangra, Kathak, Rangma, Chahu. So for this, option B, Kathak is the correct answer. Ki Kathak is that form of Indian dance that shows influence of Persian culture. We have the question number 11. Ki choose the correct chronological sequence of the following. Gandhi-Irvin impact, Nehru report, non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement. So we need to select which order happened after which one. So if we see, first of all, there was a non-cooperation movement, then it led to the Nehru report, then Gandhi-Irvin impact, and then in the last we had the Quit India movement. So if we see, the order will go like this, first of all C, non-cooperation movement, then B, Nehru report, then A, Gandhi-Irvin impact, and in the last we have D, Quit India movement. So C, B, A, D. Looking at the options, option B is the correct answer. C, B, A, D. Question number 12. In banking sector, GNPA refers to. Now, as we are going for the MBA entrance exam, so this knowledge of financial sector we all should be having, that GNPA refers to gross non-performing advances. So option number A is the correct answer. GNPA refers to gross non-performing advances. Question number 13. Again we have that type of question. Given below are two statements. Statement number 1. Our lungs have two parts, the left and the right. It's absolutely correct. Statement number 2. Structurally, two parts of lungs are different from each other. Yes, this thing is also true. So we can mark that both statements 1 and 2 are correct. So option number A is the correct answer for question number 13. Question number 14. The first country to be labeled as Banana Republic was Bermuda or Honduras, El Salvador or Haiti. So option number B is the correct answer, Honduras. The first country to be labeled as Banana Republic was Honduras. Question number 15. Again we have match list 1 with list number 2. Now list 1 is the name of the players, list 2 with the games they play. Now PV Sindhu, as we have seen in the games, PV Sindhu plays badminton, so we can mark A with the third. Now as I always say, we'll look at the options first of all. Now in the option number A with the second, eliminated. Option B, A with the third can be the answer. Option C, A with second eliminated. Option D, A with second eliminated. So undoubtedly we directly have option B as the correct answer. But we'll see the other one also. Lovlina Borgain. This player plays boxing. Ravi Kumar Dhaya. Recently he had won the medal. So yes, he is a wrestler. Gagan Narang is the shooter. He will go with the shooting. So option B is the correct answer for question number 15. Now again we have given below are two statements. Food is cooked in pressure cooker quickly because it retains heat for a longer period. No, this thing is wrong. We can even retain heat for a longer period by closing the lid. So we can't say कि we cook in pressure cooker quickly because it retains it. It's completely false. Statement number 2. Food is cooked in pressure cooker quickly because boiling point of water increases. Yes, this thing is absolutely true. कि food in pressure cooker is cooked quickly because boiling point of water increases. So what we can see, statement number 1 is wrong here. Statement number 2 is correct. So we have to mark statement 1 is false and 2 is correct. So we have option number D, which suggests statement number 1 is false, but statement number 2 is true. Question number 17. On what does the dollar-rupee exchange rate in India depend? Demand supply equilibrium, monetary policy of RBI, government control, or the stock market fluctuations. Now, this dollar rupee exchange rate in India always depends on demand supply equilibrium. So, option number A is the correct answer for question number 17. Then we have question number 18 again, match list 1 with list number 2. So we have some points here and we need to select what these points are there. Now we have the northernmost point, Siachen Glacier, KB2, Sir Creek or Indira Point. The northernmost point is Siachen Glacier, so A with the 1. The southernmost point is the Indira Point. The easternmost point is the KB2 and the westernmost point is Sir Creek. So again, if you look in this question, if we know only about the A, the northernmost point Siachen Glacier, A with the 1, and then we look at the options, option number A with the 1 might be the answer. Option B, A with the 4, eliminated. Option C, A with the 2, eliminated. Option D, A with the third, eliminated. So, if we know only one point, still we can have the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer for question number 18. Question number 19. Who among the following rulers belongs to Slave Dynasty? Sher Shah Suri, Muhammad Ghori, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, Humayun. Now, if we have a knowledge of history here, so yes, we can directly mark option number C, कि Shamsuddin Iltutmish is the ruler who belongs to Slave Dynasty. Then we had the last question, question number 20th. Given below are two statements. Bodo is one of the scheduled languages of India. Now in India we have a variety of languages, so we should be having a knowledge of this also. Now the Bodo. Bodo is that language which is spoken in northeastern states. अब नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में कहाँ पे? It is especially in Assam and Meghalaya. So yes, Bodhi is one of the scheduled languages of India which is spoken in Assam and Meghalaya. So statement 1 is absolutely correct. Statement number 2. Nepali is one of the scheduled languages of India. Now whenever you say Nepali, that thing will come to mind is from Nepal. No, even Nepali is that kind of language which is a kind of official language in Sikkim and also spoken in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, etc. So means Nepali is that kind of language which is spoken in different parts of northeastern states. So yes, Bodo is also scheduled language and Nepali is also one of the scheduled languages of India. So means both statements are correct. So we can mark option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct for this particular question. Now I hope after looking at the pattern of the previous year paper and looking at the solutions, this will help you a lot to understand कि हमें at exam में questions को कैसे attempt करना है and what we need to study. So keep learning and studying. Guidance मेरी, मेहनत आपकी. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe this channel.